Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super straightforward way to add a donation form to your Wix website using DonorBox. And honestly, you'll be amazed at how little time it takes. If you've been thinking of accepting donations online for your nonprofit, fundraiser, or personal project, this tutorial will get your site donation ready, hassle-free. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning donation form integrated into your Wix site, ready for your supporters to use. So let's dive right in. The very first step is to create a brand new page dedicated to donations. On your Wix dashboard, look for the option to add a page and give it a clear, inviting name like Donation. Giving the page a specific name isn't just for your own management. It lets your website visitors know exactly where to go when they're ready to support you. Think of it as setting up a special room just for your donors, making the process focused and welcoming. Once your page is named and set up, we're ready to add the donation form. Head over to the Add Element panel. You'll want to search for Forms. Depending on your Wix editor, you might see a few different form options, but don't worry. Scroll through the section labeled Old Forms. You'll find a ready-made Donate form in there. This shortcut saves you a lot of setup time. It's designed for exactly this purpose, so you don't have to build every field from scratch. Click on the Donate form to drop it onto your donation page. Now, this is where you get to personalize things a bit. You can customize the form right here, editing the fields so they ask for whatever details you need. Maybe just a name and email, or perhaps a message from the donor. This is your chance to tailor the experience so it feels friendly and professional. If you're not sure what fields to include, think about what you need to process donations smoothly while also keeping things simple for your supporters. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. You can always come back and tweak these fields later. Take a moment to preview how your form looks. The preview is important because it puts you in your donor's shoes. Does everything make sense? Are the fields easy to understand? Sometimes, seeing it from their perspective helps catch any little issues before you go live. After you're happy with the look and feel, check out the settings and submission options. These help you control how you collect and store donors' information. Every form submission matters, so review your settings carefully and make sure notifications and details are correct. When you're all set, hit the Save button. It's a good habit to save after every major change. Trust me, it saves a ton of headaches later. Now, let's make it super easy for your visitors to find your donation form. Head back to your home page and go to Add Element again. This time, choose Buttons. A donation button is like a friendly guide on your front porch, leading supporters right to your donation room. Drop the button onto your home page where it's easy to spot. Then, when you're linking the button, select Page, then find and choose your new donation page. That completes the path. Homepage button leads directly to your donation form. Just a few final touches. Preview your site again to make sure everything works as expected. Click through as if you're a donor, just to double-check the flow. If everything looks good, congratulations! Your Wix site is now ready to accept donations. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you run into any issues. Subscribe for more web tips and easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.